Good morning, class. As I have explained you, the poem Snare, written by James Stephens. Now, today we are going to write the poem Snare in our notebook and the hard words of that in our notebook. So, before writing the poem in our notebook and the hard words, now let us go through a quick summary of the poem Snare so that you can understand it more well. The poem Snare is written by James Stephens. In this poem, the poet is trying to express the dismay about the sorrowful and the painful rabbit who is being caught up in the snare. In this poem, the poet is desperate to find that animal. The poet is expressing his grief over the man's inability and ability to reach out the needy and the unfortunate people to rescue from that affliction. The poet again and again hears the painful cry of the rabbit who is being caught up in the snare. He again tries to find him, but the painful cry haunts him and creates a horror in the whole atmosphere. The air is also being seamed in a sorrowful pain. The cries is becoming louder and louder, and everything is being powered by the sorrowful effect. The poet hears a cry which appears suddenly, making him aware and tries to listen to it. He recognizes the sound of a rabbit and who is being trapped up in the snare. He listens to the sound. The rabbit is calling out for help, and the poet hears the cry again and again and try to locate out the rabbit. The rabbit is calling out for help, and the poet is trying to hear it and locate the place of the rabbit, but he fails to locate the rabbit. The rabbit creates a painful cry in the whole atmosphere, and the air is being also filled up with the pains and the sorrows of the rabbit, and everything is being powered by their effect. The poet in his imagination can see the rabbit paw who is being caught up in the snare. He can see the rabbit face seizing in pain. How is he seizing in pain? The cry becomes again, but the poet is unable to locate the place and find from where and what is coming, from where it is coming. And the poet in this poem is talking about the protection, freedom, and wild animals. The poet hears the cries of a rabbit in the snare and expresses sympathy over the poor little creature. He tries to locate it everywhere but cannot find it. This poem is expressing the poet kindness and sympathy for all those who are in trouble and suffering from man. He finds the mankind suffering, but he is unable to offer any help. Though the poor, the poet is trying to create sympathy and love the readers towards the wild animals. Now, I hope this poem is clear to all of you. Now, let us continue with the writing of the poem and the hard words in our notebook. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to write the poem Snare and hard words in a notebook. So first of all, what you all are going to do is, first of all, fill the index. Put the serial number, date, poem, the snare, and the page number. You have to write that page number on which you are starting and on which you are ending. Count your number of pages. Don't copy mine. Now, after that, put today's date, classwork, the snare. Now, Start writing the poem. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There's a rabbit in the snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. James Stephens. Now what you all have to do, I hope this poem is clear to all of you. Before writing, what you all have to see, after each and every paragraph, leave one line. After each and every paragraph, you have to leave a single line like I have left over here. And after completing the poem, leave one line and write the name of the poet over here. Copy the same as I have written. Now, let us go through the poem once again so that the pronunciation of the poem will be clear to all of you. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There's a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. After that, leave one line. After writing this paragraph, leave one line over here. Now again start the second paragraph. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. After writing the second paragraph 4 lines, you have to leave one line again. After leaving one line, move to the third paragraph. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. After writing the third paragraph, you have to again leave one line and move to the fourth paragraph. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. After writing the fourth paragraph, again leave one line and write the name of the right on your right side. It's my right side, so I have written it on the right side. After that, make a line. After writing the poem, turn the page, come to the next page. Now next page is, in the next page, put classwork, put the heading hard words. You have to write the hard words in the next page. First word is sudden. It will be pronounced as sudden. Second word is snare. Snare. Third word cannot. It's cannot. Fourth, frightened. Frightened. Fifth, everything. Everything. Sixth one is afraid. Afraid. Seventh one is wrinkling. Wrinkling. Eighth one is cries. The word is cries. Ninth one is searching. Searching. 10th, paw. Paw. 11th one is James Stephens, the name of the poet, James Stephens. Now let me repeat the words, hard words one again. First one is sudden. Second one is snare. Third one is cannot. Fourth one is frightened. Fifth one is everything. Sixth one is afraid. Seventh one is wrinkling. Eighth one is cries. Ninth one is searching. 10th, paw. And 11th one is James Stephens. After writing the hard words, form a line at the end and complete your index. Now, what you all have to do, homework for you all is to learn this poem, Snare, thoroughly. Thank you.